Okay, part two.
No,
Keep going.
No part 2.
Oh, he doesn't want a part 2. Then I'll just do the part 2 on myself. By myself. Lickitung. Who else? We'll just look through briefly for
I'll
part
tell
2.
you the name.
I'll show you guys the Japanese cards. There's a Japanese Meowth.
Bye.
Super cute. Okay, bye.
Wait, I want to see the Meowth.
Coughing.
Where's the Meowth?
You guys, use your eyeballs. I'll just show you guys some of these cards. This is, I don't know who that is. And then we've got more Lickitungs. I like how they give us all different versions in the same mystery pack. Let's see. Oh my god, how cute is that gloom, you guys? Oh my gosh, I don't know how many Oddishes I have though. I might need some Oddishes. Oh, this is the Zeb. The one that Zeb Strika goes into. It's cute. Let's see, more Litleo. Hi dog. Say hello to our dog, Tavi. Tavi, say hello. Are you Japanese? Are you born and raised in Japan, Tavi? Yes, she's a Japanese dog. Don't sit on our trainer. That's a shiny trainer, guys. We're gonna have to translate that one. Cute. We do like to battle. I like to battle. He says he doesn't, but sometimes it's Cubone. Let's see. Oh, how cute. She's going poop. Alright. I'm gonna probably end the video in a second. Oh, there's Oddish. Adorable. Remember, guys, in the first gen when Oddish was like, there were barely any little cute ones. Like, there wasn't anything like this weird stuff. It was all just like these little cutie dudes. It was like this, and then Jigglypuff, and then Togepi, and then Mew. Like, there were only a couple little cute ones. But now they have all these weird... Ooh! Who's that? Is that Stantler? I think my daughter. She's coming over here just putting her Barbie shows in here. I don't know if it's Barbie. Ooh,
I
this,
hold
guys?
in my other pee.
Comment down below if you know who this is.
I hold in my other pee in the car.
She held her pee in the car. Good job, Stas. She held her pee. Okay, comment if you guys know who this is, because I do not, but it's very adorable. Hobby. She's barking at the... Look! Oh my god, what's that one's name? That's the Skitty. And what's the second one? Wait, she decides she wants to sit here. This is the second one after Skitty. So cute. Okay, don't know who this is. There's this little Shroomish. And then remember, look at that Metapod. That's adorable. I honestly hate Metapod, but this is adorable actually. Let's see. Scyther. Yeah, I'll probably just need to end this video. Actually, wow. Who is that? Comment if you know who that is. And the Woobat. Look at the Woobat. Oh my gosh. And I love these crochet Muna guys. Oh, is this the Hitmonlee? I don't know. Oh, Marowak is super cute. That's this, whatever you call it, the art. Who are the people in the back? Is that Team Rocket? Who are those people? Marowak is super cute. Let's see. Oh, another Marowak. That's the same. Got some Venomoth. Okay, Toucan. Comment down below the Toucan, what his name is, okay? Him, her, they, them. Because I do not know the name. And then we have another Geodude, which is good because I love... Actually, this one looks old school. And then a little... What's this one called? Bunny something. But it's very adorable. I forgot the name, though. Is it Bunny Eye? I don't know. It's very adorable. This one is not adorable though. Alright, bye. Leave us a like, comment, and subscribe if you want more Japanese card mystery packs. Say bye, Tavi. Tavi, do you want more mystery packs?